I always zero down to कि क्यों हमारी fights होती है ना, तो one of the reasons I feel is this.
I think that our manner of speaking, you could be more blunt and
Yeah.
I'm a bit softer in that sense.
Yeah.
You are
Softy.
probably, तो मैंने उस टाइम I think we were not engaging very nicely, तो मैं ज़्यादा तुझे highlight नहीं कर रही थी. I must record this.
This is the only stop we are taking on before Bombay now.
Okay,
we will
should
leave now.
because
We will pee and leave.
Haan.
See you in a bit.
Okay.
Putting eye drops in Niyati's eyes midway.
Miss Pinto, तुम अपना drool मत डाल देना मेरे.
I told Niyati that I must record this because
वो गंदे हैं इसलिए.
क्विक अपडेट, अभी तक हमने 3 बार पेट्रोल भराया है, ठीक है, तो आई थिंक अराउंड स्पेंडिंग अराउंड 14-15,000 फॉर दिस पेट्रोल, लोकेशन में अराउंड 10,000, टोल्स में अराउंड 2,000 एंड accommodation for us has been expensive only because we have a dog and we are girls. There were accommodations available for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Anyway, I think I have an interesting question.
हाँ बोल.
You and I are very different. I mean, you do know that you do. I don't know if it has changed, but तू थोड़ा ज़्यादा stress करती है about smaller things, right? Like you were really stressed about the classes right now. Or were you?
I mean, see, that's it's one way to put it, smaller things, but yeah, I'm a more organized person for sure, and I like to have things in place. Like I won't like leave my cover, leave my something, and then put them all together, keep it in a.
But you don't get stressed about something.
Yeah, so I do. That's what I'm saying, na. So
no, not okay. Take another example. Like I'm more stupid, maybe. I'm more careless.
No, you are definitely more carefree about things, and I think you operate from the place of कि अगर नहीं भी मिला तो देख लेंगे.
हाँ.
And I usually operate from the place of कि ठीक से ही रखो, right? So yeah, I mean, see.
Which causes some bit.
हाँ मैं कह रही हूँ. See, if you want to like say push that narrative in, that's one thing, right? Like it in the sense that is what you may think, right? That someone who is careful or more organized is just more stressful in life, right? But
for yourself,
think about it this way, that not being able to find things later and be stressed out more, it actually alleviates my stress if I'm able to already keep things in place. Like right now, if I figure out कि okay मेरा क्या सामान कहाँ का रखा है, because see, you're also there's a lot of equipment here, right? And I'm not used to really traveling with so much equipment. So जो मेरा सामान है, I'd rather know where it is at the start and then like be chilled about it. And because when I'll go back, I'll have मैं बॉम्बे से तो उठा के नहीं लेके जाऊंगी सामान. So in general, I like to be in the know and be organized about my things. That's all. मतलब I don't think that it's.
No, but I think see, these are personality differences and relationships that cause. I mean, I always zero down to कि क्यों हमारी fights होती है ना, तो one of the reasons I feel is this.
हाँ 100%.
क्योंकि वो हो सकता है कि for you.
I mean, that me being careful irritates you and you being too carefree irritates you.
Yeah. So okay, one of them is that, right? कि हम लोग का personality difference है कि तू बहुत organized है, तू ज़्यादा careful about things है और मैं नहीं हूँ. एंड तो उसमें कभी हो सकता है कि मैं इरिटेट होती हूँ, तू इरिटेट होती है, तो उसमें तो फाइट होती ही है. What else?
Yeah. What else? I think that our manner of speaking, you could be more blunt and I'm a bit softer in that sense.
Yeah.
You are probably more. You have a thicker skin. I'm more sensitive. And I think that वो ये जो कल हम बात कर रहे थे कि you operate from a place of your perspective mostly, and I will always try and, which is a good thing also, because then it gives other people this it conditions them to think about that too. For example, जैसे मैंने बोला कि I learned to say no from you, right? And I'm still learning. I'm not very good at it, but I'm getting there. And I always end up, no matter how much, I mean, I think I've worked on it a fair bit, but I used to always end up, definitely always thinking about the other person's perspective too, sometimes more than me. So मुझे लगता है कि while it's fine to put the other person's perspective in front, but it shouldn't be more than yours, राइट. इट्स ओके टू ऑपरेट फ्रॉम. आई थिंक वो क्लैरिटी तुझे पहले से है, मुझे इतनी नहीं है या नहीं थी.
हाँ. I think these are two
एंड
major.
बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस ही ये चीज बहुत वो हो सकती होगी, क्योंकि तू हो सकता है जब तू मेरे साथ ऑपरेट कर रही है या किसी चीज के लिए एंगेज कर रही, तू अपनी तरफ से सोच रही है और तू बिल्कुल वैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है, राइट. एंड तू प्रॉब्ली अज्यूम कर रही है कि मैं अपनी तरफ से सोच रही हूँ और मैं बिल्कुल वैसे रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ, राइट. बट मैं अपनी तरफ से नहीं, तुम्हारी तरफ से भी सोच रही हूँ समटाइम्स, एंड फिर भी मेरा रिएक्शन वो आ रहा है और मुझे ये लग रहा है कि तुम सेम क्यों नहीं कर रही हो, राइट. So probably you're getting irritated about कि why am I not doing what you are? I may be getting irritated about why you're not doing what
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
I think that's very true. I think एक चीज मैंने सीखी, and you say that I quote my therapy sessions a lot, but I guess for
I have a question actually. That's a good thing that you said therapy right now. I have a question because you, I think दो तीन बार you mentioned and you put it on Instagram also how your therapist has taught you to not walk around eggshells of someone else's emotions.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
But I feel like you've never done that. You are the other person. You are the person who never does that and just says.
But I don't say
Right? And be blunt or say no, or you know, like whatever, I don't think this is done, and then you move on, right? So in fact I'm the person who has always, and this is something that my therapist also told me that I worked on in you know my life when I was taking therapy, right? So I didn't understand कि वो कैसे ये तो तुझे already पता है, like I'm surprised that you thought of it as.
I think there are some people जिनके around I have worked on eggshells. अब शायद मुझे for example 100x reaction होता अगर मैं eggshells नहीं होती, अभी 50% होता होगा. मतलब when I'm walking on eggshells because I know for example and yeah, I mean that's not something you will be able to understand because it's inside me. You know, I am there will be a particular situation where I will
Like मुझे ये लगा
I
so
want
many
to
times
react, but I'm not talking my mind because I know कि if I talk my mind, it will so I always talk my mind, right? That's the most natural thing.
मतलब मुझे sometimes लगा है कि जैसे कि for example कि मुझे यही लगा है sometimes, right? कि why are you not considering the other person's perspective and then responding, right? कि थोड़ा सोच के भी तो, but you choose to like just say what is there, right? Which is also a good thing in a way. So that is exactly the opposite of not walking on it, or walking on it.
But that is what I'm saying कि मैं करती हूँ, but मैं 100% नहीं कर रही होंगी with some people.
But 100% तो करना मुश्किल भी हो सकता है ना, मतलब 100% कितना सस्टेनेबल होगा कि तुम then तो you'll keep having fights with everybody. मतलब it's okay to sometimes like अगर dire need हो.
नहीं, but there can be phases where I have where I may have walked on eggshells and you.
चलो अगर phase भी हो तो मतलब it is essentially something that is not a big issue in your life because you already know that you don't want to. Like it doesn't come naturally to you, right? So
for some people it does. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ naturally it doesn't come. But now it's not. Like I said, matlab it's now I'm not doing that. But there was a phase where I was, and so it was creating a lot of frustration, and that's why you go to therapy, right?
I mean I understand that because मेरे साथ तो बहुत हुआ है ये, और मैंने तो मैंने ये समझा है कि हाँ, but yeah, okay.
तूने बोला ना कि different perspectives हैं, right? तूने बोला कि I don't know, like you said something कि ये good day only कि perspective. Sometimes we like you or I don't know if you were talking about yourself or I or me कि तुम्हारा perspective होता है तो तुम कभी-कभी expect करते हो कि this person will also think like this or be like this.
हाँ
है ना, और तुम करती हो ये
मतलब
करती हो.
नहीं मेरे को तो लगता है सभी ये लोग ही करते हैं सबकॉन्शियसली एक्सपेक्ट कि अरे लाइक तू भी एक्चुअली एक बार याद है हमारी लड़ाई किसी बात पे हो रही थी एंड यू केप्ट सेइंग if I'd be this if I'd do this if I'd be you I'd do this if I'd be you I'd be do this. तो मैंने उस टाइम I think we were not engaging very nicely, तो मैं ज्यादा तुझे हाईलाइट नहीं कर रही थी. But the thing is, that is the whole point of it. You are not me, exactly. And I am not you, right? तो इस बारे में तो लड़ाई करने का मतलब ही नहीं है, right? Because I will operate differently, you will operate differently, and it also invalidates the other person's, you know, right to their own feeling. कि if I'd be you, तुम गलत करो. मेरे को लगता है कि, you know, किसी को जैसे मैं तो as a rule you know, if someone doesn't ask me यार कि मुझे बता यार मैं क्या करूँ, ठीक है, ये सिचुएशन हो गई है, मैं क्या करूँ, या कैन यू टेल मी, या कैन यू हेल्प मी, और कैन यू एडवाइस मी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि किसी की बात सुनते ही उसको एडवाइस करना इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ यू नो सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अजम्पशन कि भी मुझे ज्यादा पता है, मैं तो जानती हूँ ये, मेरे को तो इवन इफ आई हैव बीन इन द सेम, मेरे को ये बहुत लगता है कि इवन इफ ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट यू आर फेसिंग द सेम सिचुएशन, it may be very very different for how it's landing on the person in the situation right now. For example, मैंने बीच में एक वीडियो देखा था छोटा सा कि I mean it was a part of the video, it was a reel on Instagram, and you know उसमें ना the guy was wanting to ask the psychologist in front of him some question, and he started with saying that, you know, for example, I feel like me and my sibling, we've had the same parents, but you know this, so the minute like she or he said, I think he said, and that guy said that I'd like to stop you there. You and your sibling have not had the same parents. You may have been born to the same people, that they have been different parents to each of you. Usually that is the case, and that's very, very right. Right? The same parent can be a different parent to you and to the...
Absolutely. नहीं यार, completely agree. ये कहाँ पे सुना, कौन सी movie है?
नहीं, movie नहीं, Instagram पे एक reel था. I follow a lot of these. Like one of the psychologists I follow who I love is Nicole LePera.
Okay.
Right, and I think a lot of the, without even taking therapy, just reading her the things that she keeps putting up, and they're all related to, you know, personality types and how your life could have been if you are this personality type, and it really explains everything, you know, like a lot of these, they're very relatable, and it makes a lot of sense, right? So through that I found out a lot about myself also in different roles.
But well, let's finish that conversation. Continuity के लिए बता कि what were we talking about?
वही कि the things that we are different about and why they lead to fights. मुझे एक चीज़ लगती है, शायद दोनों के बारे में ही लगती है, कि हमारे इश्यूज काफ़ी हद तक by and large सेम ही रहते हैं, and it's not like कि हम कुछ करते हैं. Like if Diksha will say that yeah, I know I am rude, but I don't see her really working on that rudeness. Next time also she'll be that rude. If I tell her कि yeah fine यार, I guess I am more sensitive, I am more this thing, probably I also don't work at it and end up still like taking everything to heart. So I think ये पता नहीं ये शायद ठीक क्यों कर रही है.
Sorry.
ठीक करना पड़ेगा. And funny thing happened, like we got into a fight in Dehradun. I don't think it's funny, but whatever. And Diksha's comeback to me in that argument was, you are rude. I actually wanted to laugh that time. And she kept saying, no, you are rude. And I was like, I have never been told I'm rude. I've never been told. She's like, but you are rude. And I was thinking, ये मुझे क्या बोल रही है कि मैं rude हूँ? Then I said, क्या बोला मैंने rudely? तो मुझे कहती है, you said, can you please let me finish? I was like, हाँ बोला होगा मैंने, और हो सकता है sternly बोला होगा, but you तो base level of rude है यार. तो मेरे को बहुत ये लगा कि हम, and ये हमारी ही हो सकती है ऐसी वाली fight. Like I don't think कि किसी और के साथ हो सकती है.
I've never heard siblings fight, although I would love to, because
You've never heard of siblings fight?
No, in front of me ना, तो मेरे को reference point नहीं है. मुझे पता है कि a lot of siblings have their issues, and mostly when they grow older, because they are set in their ways by then. बचपन में they are more temporary fights.
Yeah, I suppose.
But you're right about and actually a lot of issues I don't have with the world, so it's not my personality thing. I'm a certain way with you.
I've also realized one more thing. Maybe she won't agree with me, but I think in a sense Diksha is very possessive about me. She does not like if she thinks I choose anyone over her. She just does not like
Absolutely,
it. वो मेरा
100%.
friend हो, मेरी friend हो, मेरा कोई temporary that time partner हो, मेरी neighbor हो, मतलब
Of
मैं
course, why will you pick
मेरी
anyone else
colleague
over me?
But मेरे मतलब it's this, for her it's like if she said, for example, if Miss Pinto could talk and if Miss Pinto could say कि नेहा दी अब चलते हैं, and if Diksha says नहीं अभी 5 मिनट और बैठना है, she will get angry अगर मैं Miss Pinto की बात मान जाए कि मैं तेरी बहन हूँ, तू मेरी बात क्यों नहीं मान सकती. I think that Diksha is. Which now I'm thinking it's cute only. Maybe I'll try and do that.
Wow, great conclusion. That's a great conclusion. But I think why I thought of doing this is also like I have people, I have friends, I have seen friends who are not very good friends with their siblings.
And we used to be,
Yeah.
since school, we were very close. Like all of our friends had siblings my age, and all of those people had siblings her age, right? And still, no one was close to their siblings. Only we were at that time. And so I used to be close to her friends also at that time.
Yeah.
But
Then I started fighting with her over my friends, which I will
वो तो अलग बात है.
which I will cover in the next episode of Overattached Siblings.
ये क्यों हुआ हमारे साथ यार?
इतना सही जा रहा था ना? You definitely get more compliments. You're beautiful. You're this. ये सब definitely तेरे साथ ज़्यादा हुआ है. You know, you enter a party where my friends are there. You become the center of.
कि it could have been hard growing up as my younger sibling. It could have been hard. But I'm just saying, Mumbai changed my life. Like it made me so many things. It made me so many things.